Hello guys, welcome to tip of the day. Today's tip is how to move multiple apps at a time. Let's go and check it out. Now we are going to see how to move multiple apps at a time.
By holding any app, we can see all the apps are shaking or jerking, and by holding an app and bringing it aside and tapping on all the apps which you are going to move, gathering these apps and moving to any other slide and drop there. Yeah, we are done with our task.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.